So in this chapter, I will tell you about PowerPoint presentation, how to make PowerPoint presentation. So let's start with the chapter Microsoft PowerPoint. So MS PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office. किसका part है आपका? Microsoft Office package. It is software which is used to create presentation. A presentation include text, picture, charts, audio, video, and some animated effects. So there are many software which is used to create presentation like Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress. But the most common and user-friendly software is used to create PowerPoint presentation in MS PowerPoint, right? Then what are slides? Slides के होते हैं number of presentation. How much presentation you want to make? The number of pages, what we call them? We call them slides. Then let's start with the presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order which display information on a particular topic. What it do? It display information on a particular topic. So like how to start MS PowerPoint, click on start button. Where you have to go? Start button. Then click on PowerPoint, click on blank presentation so that you can create a new presentation over here. Next is when we open PowerPoint 2019. So for that, the start screen appear. From here, we will able to create a new presentation. You can choose a template or you can access to recently added presentation. We have named it as a presentation 1 and we have various parts. Let's study about the various parts. This is your file tab. These are the different tabs are shown over here, right? These are the slides navigation panes. These are placeholders, what we call them, placeholders. This is your slide pane. These are the status bar. These are the comments. From here you can zoom in and out, right? So let's study with the different components of PowerPoint presentation. First is quick access toolbar. So it is at the leftmost corner of the PowerPoint presentation window. It contains frequently used command. By default, it shows 3 options, that is save, undo, repeat, right? We can add another commands depending on your preference. Then next is title bar. Title bar is present at the top of the PowerPoint window. It shows name of document followed by program name. There are 5 buttons, right? What? Your help, PowerPoint help, ribbon, display option, minimize, restore down, maximize, and close. Then we have ribbon which is designed to respond to your current task. It contains multiple tabs. Here we will see multiple tabs like phone, home, start, design, transition, and image. Review, view, each and several groups of comments. We will use these tabs to perform most common tasks in PowerPoint. Next is collapse the ribbon button. We can also collapse the ribbon if we need to see more of the presentation we are creating. To collapse the ribbon, click the arrow at the bottom right. Bottom right पे arrow होगा, आपको उस पे click करना है. We click on this button, it will minimize the ribbon. Only the tab name get displayed. खाली आपको यहाँ पे तो दिखाई देगा, वो tab का name दिखाई देगा. Then we have placeholder dotted rectangular box on a slide that holds text images. Next is dialog box launcher. What it is a small icon which appears in the same group, right? If we click this icon, dialog box related to that group opens. It may contain many options. Like we can select as per our choice. Then we have slide pane. Slide pane is displayed at the center of the PowerPoint window. We can edit a slide in a slide pane. What you can do, you can edit a slide. Next is slide navigation pane. It allows us to view all the slide which is present in our presentation. And the selected slide will appear in the slide pane to the right, and we can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange slide in the slide navigation pane. Next is note sync. It provides you the space where you can add notes in the current slide. Next is ruler, which is used to adjust the document. It helps in adjusting the document. If we can hide the ruler to create both screen frame, there are 2 rulers. One is horizontal and another is vertical. Next is status bar. It appears at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It provides information like current slide, numbers, and how many numbers of slides are there. Now notes, let's study about notes. Click the notes to view the notes. Comment, it is the area where viewer may leave comment for any slide, right? Next is zoom slider, which is available for zooming in and zooming out quickly and easily. Then we have view button, right? So it is present on the left of the zoom slider. Normal, it is a default view. This view shows slide navigation pane and the selected slide. Then we have slideshow, which display miniature form of all slides. Then reading view, it hides all the editing tools to make our slides easier to view. Then we have slideshow, which display the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. What you will do, you will display the slide one by one on the screen. Then we have scroll bar. By default, the vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar are shown. And we can hide scroll bar if we want to display more on the document. If you want to display more of the document, what you will do, you will click, hold and drag scroll bar depending upon what part of slide you want to see. Next is creating. Now, if you want to create a new presentation, so for creating new presentation, you will create in two ways. First is using blank presentation or using templates and things, right? So for that, how to create a new blank presentation? Click on the file tab. The backstage view will appear. Select new option, click on the blank presentation. Okay, then a new blank presentation will appear like this on the screen. After that, you want to create a new presentation. Now you want to use templates and themes. So for that, you have to click on File tab. Backstage view will appear. Select new option. Double click on the theme or template thumbnail you want to use. Then click on Create button. On what you will create? You will click on Create button. Now to use online templates and themes, follow the given steps. What? Select the category. A gallery of online templates and themes will open. Click on Design Theme or Template. Now click on Create button. Where you have to click? You have to click on Create button so you can create the presentation. Next is themes for a blank presentation. Now you want a blank presentation. There are different themes you can add in this. First is click on Design tab. Click on More button in Themes group. Right click on the selected theme. And you can apply them and select the required option. Whatever option you want to request, you can choose from here. Next is inserting new slide. Now we want to insert a new slide. So for that, you will, whenever we start a view presentation, it will contain one slide. Like it will have a one slide title layout, right? And to insert a new slide, follow these steps. You have to click on the new slide drop down menu in a slide group. Select the desired slide layout. Whatever the layout is there, you can select. Now you want formatting the text. Now you want to format the text you want in the different style in different colors. So select the text, click on font color option in the home tab and select the desired color. Whatever color you want to select. So like this, you can choose the color. Like you can see here red, here green. Like this, you can change. Now adding bullet list. So click on bullet option under paragraph group of the home tab. Choose appropriate bullet style. Whatever style you want to choose, you can choose from here. Now saving a presentation. Now you want to save a presentation. So for that, what you will do? You will click on the File tab, click on Save option, right? Select Computer option and click on the Browse button. The Save as dialog box appears. Select the location where you want to save your presentation and then type the file name. Click on Save button. And your file will be saved over. Now you want to close. How you will close it? The different steps I will tell you. First of all, you have to click on File tab, click on Close option. You will go to File tab, there the option of Close is there. You will click on. And it will ask to save the changes. If there are changes in the presentation that have not been saved, if you want to save it, you can save it. Now opening an existing presentation. So click on the File tab, the backstage view will appear and select the Open option. And your file will be selected. Then you will click on Browse button, click on this PC, select the presentation and click on Open. So then you can also use Ctrl+O to open your presentation. Now running a presentation. Now we want to run the presentation. So for that, after creating slides, we can run our presentation. It gives us option of presenting a series of slides. In slideshow, all the slides in our presentation, they are displayed one by one. अब देखते हैं कि वो one by one क्या होती है, चलती रहती है, right? So click on the slideshow button on the quick access toolbar. Click the slideshow button which is present at the status bar window to begin a slideshow from a current slide. Now click the slideshow tab. Click from the beginning button in the slideshow. And your slideshow will begin from the beginning. And one by one, all the slides will be shown to you. Right? This is how we run our PowerPoint presentation. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.